Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Right now we are going to show you our dwarf orange tree. So it has a lot of fruit. I think some of these ones are ready to be harvested, but we are not going to harvest anything right now because we had our house fumigated maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, December 7th. And then a part of this tree, like here, I will show you in a minute, it was I cut it because they have to put the tarp, you know, where this area here. So I had cut some of the branches, and it has fruits in there, and right now they are also ripening, so we're gonna consume that one first before we are going to eat these oranges in here. So this is the area where we cut, and it was the trees came about here, so I cut it like around a foot. Maybe this area is not even a foot, but I harvested a lot of oranges, and it at the time it was most of it was green, but now they are about to turn really orange, so I think we can eat that one now. Like this one here, this is like maybe ready, maybe not too sweet. Like a lot of these oranges, and this orange tree is about maybe 6 foot tall now. So these are the oranges I harvested in last I think it was December 5, because I had to work on December 6, and on December 7 we have our house fumigating. So now they're like this. This one is probably sour, but we'll try it later. So that's our tree, guys, and here's my dog Casey. We just went for a very short walk, and she's tired right now. Later I'm going to take her for a little bit longer walk. Beautiful tree. This tree, since I came to the US, been like this, always producing a lot of fruit. So okay guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.